One of the questions that we often get asked when we do our CPD courses is there an optimum amount of time to leave between revisiting materials so that we get spacing right?
The short answer, Edward, is no. There is no one perfect set amount of time that we need to leave to optimise spacing. But the slightly longer and more nuanced answer is it depends. It depends on how much the students already know, and it also depends on how long we want them to remember the information for. Because the longer you want someone to remember the information for, the longer the gap needs to be between revisiting the material.
One set of researchers recently looked at exactly this question, how long to leave. Their findings are intended to be a rough guideline as opposed to hard and fast rules, and we have summarised their findings for you in our blog in the next section. Enjoy. So if you're looking for more resources like this that are
Useful,
research-based
and easy to use,
then go to the Teacher CPD Academy now.